Dr. Echo here, and I'm with Prudus again. The little shit. You fucking laugh at him. I haven't recorded a TF2. Oh, I haven't. Can you stop? I haven't recorded a TF2 video in a while, and the last two I posted were Minecraft, and I promised that my next video would be TF. It's not upset. It's just a fact. Anyway, there's this annoying little anal bead over here.
Wait, who?
That little shit, whatever his name is, dude. Ace. Yeah. Yeah. You can tell he's 10 years old. Like he's not older than 10. There's no way that he's 10. Like maybe 9, dude. Anyway, I finally got my fucking unusual. So let me just show y'all black men that. Let me show y'all black men that. So we got the scout. Look at that. Look at how sexy that is. We got the soldier. Pretty good. We got pyro. Nice. We got demo. Nice. We got heavy, who I have on my second loadout. Nice. We have engineer. Nice. Medic. Nice. Huntsman. Can you, Pudis, can you stop? Nice. And spy. I also got a Dragon Slayer knife. Looks good. I am black. Yes, very good. Anywho, Pudis. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you eat my ass?
What?
Answer the question, bitch!
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you eat my ass?
Maybe. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's your favorite color of the alphabet, Echo?
Fuck. I'd have to say, nhentai.net. They got nice, they have Lolly Dojin on there, dude.
They do now.
It's times 20.
20. It's actually times 19.
It's actually times 18, bitch.
No. Equip the fucking rap assassin and look at how many balls he got.
Listen, dude, I couldn't give more of I couldn't give less of a shit, to be honest. A man-child screaming left the game. Good to know.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
You ever just get into a gay relationship? Buddhist.
Here, how about this? Do you like this?
Fuck are you? I'm playing a lot of scout. Come back to spawn. Come back to spawn.
I know, I'm killing myself real quick.
You could just press your kill bind. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Oh dude. That really gets my dick rock solid.
Oh shit, it's an actually good one. No, no. That's not how it works.
Yeah, man, get fucking the shitty ones. No, that's still an okay one. Get worse.
Well, Hellstorm or Aswins are really good.
Get your fucking whirlwind, dude. No, see, that's fine. Get one of the fucking whirlwinds, like Silver Cyclone or some gay shit. Yo! Oh, dude, oh my god. So, I was watching Weeb, he got a fucking unusual fire, right? Yeah, there you go. And I said to him, right? He was like, yo, guess what it's gonna be? I said, it's gonna be Silver Cyclone. He does it, and it's fucking Silver Cyclone. He got shit on. I'm sorry, Weeb, but you got shit on, my guy. Yo. I want to get a strange festive fish and name it, this is what your girl's pussy smells like.
That's not.
This is what my lolly's pussy smells like. Oh, that's...
Let's have a challenge, Echo.
Don't talk like that, and what is it?
Fucking best unusual combos ever. I know you can get 3 on this one, so...
Oh no. No. No.
Yes,
No.
yes, I already said it, so it's already.
Daddy!
Just say it.
No. Is this gonna be the video? Okay, dude. Let's go into third person first, though, right? You can actually see him. Best unusual combos? Alright, dude, let's go right now. Oh, this is gonna be good, dude. This is gonna be, Ooh, dude, you're not even ready, dog. Dude, you're actually not even ready for this? Like, you're gonna be like, oh. I'm not done. Give me a sec, dude. Alright, oh yeah, there we go. And for the third slot, it's gotta be a cool one. It's gotta be good. Perfect. Alright, you ready? You ready for this, dude? You ready for this bullshit? Watch this. Boom.
I'm not looking.
What do you think, my guy? What do you think? What do you think, dude?
The reason I'm behind you is so I can get closer to you.
What do you think, buddy? How do you think of it? What do you think of my unusual effects? Look at that, dude. Let me do a nice taunt for you. How do those look? Pretty good? Oh, man, I love those. Oh, man. Ah. Okay. Are those your effects?
Do you like mine?
No. I don't. I actually want to die. That's some nice burning you got going on there, man.
I am dying inside, so let me just show you the most burning thing ever.
Yeah, you want to eat celery? Would you eat celery with me? Like a two-girl, not like a... like a, what the fuck is that movie called? Like a fucking Lady and the Tramp thing, you know what I mean? Like, we both fucking eat it. Please.
I don't.
Please.
I don't.
Please.
What celery?
Just like fucking in general, dude. We just fucking meet up and it's just like fucking crunch on that shit, dog. You know what I mean? Like, yeah.
Yeah, let me get a nice taste of that bully pussy.
I need to eat. I haven't eaten like all day.
That sucks. You're gonna record this video.
I'll be right back, bitch. I'm gonna go get some food right in the middle of my recording, okay? I'll be... Yo, get fucking, get like steaming or some shit on it. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wait, is he still recording this? Oh shit. While he's there, I'm just gonna watch me do shit. No, I was recording a video. You can say all the shit you want. You just can't say the N word. He's recording, but he's not here. He's not here. So you can say whatever you want. I just said don't say that. I just said don't say that. Just say it. You know what? Just put the pan, honestly. Yeah, that's what it is.
Alright, I'm back. Alright. Alright, so I'm so fucking sad, right? I just got some cold chicken on a plate with, ketchup. Mmm. Hey, Pootich, can you stop? Stop them all. Thank you.
Annoying cunt in Japanese.
So yeah, I got some cold chicken on a plate with, ketchup.
Sounds toasty.
Are you dumb?
Yes. Hold on.
Also, you have a good taste in music.
That's my channel, dumbass. Please stop.
Bald.
I'm fucking starving. Okay, that's enough of that.
Our whole team is just dancing to me and Rubik's.
Nobody cares. I actually don't know how old this chicken is. I just found it in my fridge and I was like, okay. I'm hungry, why the fuck not, right?
I guess.
I mean, it's pretty good. It'd be better warm, but I'm just retarded.
We're doing a friendly taunt.
Ace,
Are you
you're
still recording?
Ace. Yes, I am.
Okay, so you've been recording that entire time?
Yeah,
Mm.
Ace, your mom is bad at TF2.
Ace, you're bad at TF2.
Well, I don't really care.
Ace, Ace, you're bad.
Okay. What? I can't hear you.
Nothing. Your mom.
I'm not trying to be rude with like the insult, but it's not supposed to be an insult. Just type it out in chat because I can't hear you.
Annoying cunt in Japanese.
Alright, I'm gonna go fucking throw this away. I'll be right back.
Yeah, join in, man. We're going to the top of the tower.
He's done. Yeetus fetus. Stop.
Really, dude?
Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Thought. What you thought. Yeah, that's right. Thought. Oof, thought. Alright, Echo is AFK and spawn if you want to come.
Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Okay, I'm back.
Let's just do man Rubik's and spawn.
I got a brownie. Actually, it's a cosmic brownie. Whatever the hell these things are, and some Cool Ranch Doritos. You can't fucking judge me, okay?
Oh shit, we're synced up.
Oh fuck, I didn't even. We actually are. Holy fuck. I didn't even. Oh my god, that's actually. I didn't. Holy shit, I'm a god! The ASMR for y'all niggas.
I can rub something against my mic.
Oh, wow! You should never do that again. Thanks, I appreciate it.
I did to server because I took a set. Wait, echo. You want me to mic spam?
No, I don't. Stop.
Echo, you better not have stopped.
Nigga, nah, not at all.
Alright, we gotta do them. We gotta do them synced to them videos. Gotcha?
No.
Yeah, we're gonna do them and
Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Oh shit, why are we synced up again?
Jesus Christ.
How does this keep happening?
God.
So you know how it goes, it's like 3,
I know.
1, blah.
Left click or right click?
Left click.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're dumb. Usually you just go straight after one. You don't say go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Get the fuck out of here, Scout.
Alright, now let's right click.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. That was my fault.
I just let them all.
Get the hell out of here.
2, 1.
Fuck. It's a little bit off. Do it another time. I'll get it.
3, 2, 1.
God damn it, Puda.
Early.
I know. Have you get the hell out of here.
3, 2, 1.
Motherfucker.
It's like boom,
I-
boom, boom.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
There we fucking go.
Yes.
I just slapped my ass.
Same thing. Okay, same thing. 3, 2, 1.
There we fucking go. Oh god. Boom! Butt time! Yeah, slap my bum!
Alright, we're gonna do the kick. We're gonna sync up the kick. I know you don't have that talk support.
Oh. Yeah, cause I just bought this fucking $80 unusual.
Yeah, alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Just fucking do it and I'll join in with you, Jesus Christ.
No, we're gonna taunt at the same time.
Okay, bitch.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Why did that not work? Oh, I clicked the. Oh, I'm actually retarded. I clicked the wrong thing. That's a cunt. Nigga? Alright, are you fucking.
This is what Weed thinks he is right here.
Funny meme you got there. Alright, you fucking ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Fucking. Ooh.
Since we're synced up, I'm gonna try to get right inside you. You don't move. Don't move.
You're gonna try to get inside me?
Stop.
That looks weird. I don't like that. I don't like this.
So I did that with a person in jailbreak, and we actually fooled somebody, and they thought that we were one person.
Wow.
Oh shit, we are.
Oh, I don't like this, dude. It hurts me.
Okay, so what we're gonna do
Uh-huh.
is on the after the countdown, we are gonna go right, hold down D. We're just holding down D.
Okay.
3, 2,
Oh yeah. Oh, you fucked it up, dude. Oh, it looks so weird. I don't like that. What the fuck is this? Oh, what the hell? It fucking like perfectly. What? Okay. This is so fucking weird. I'm out of here. Fuck this.
So hold on. We're doing more shit.
I'm out of here. Fuck you. I got fucking Cool Ranch Doritos, dude. I want to eat some of them niggas. Yeah, you ready for this crunch, dude? Ew! There, your mouth is wet. Go away. Eat ass.
Eat ass, smoke ass, and go fast.
More like smoke fast, eat grass, and smoke ass.
Yes.
I don't know. Are you okay, dude? No!
Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna stand up here so it looks like we're gonna punch each other with the Yeti punch. So face my head. Okay?
Okay.
Yeti punch. No, stop crouching because I'm not gonna be able to face your fucking head.
Hold on, nigga.
Dude, I told you not. Stop.
I'm looking at your head!
No, not to say the word on YouTube, you dumbass.
Shut up, bitch. I can say what I want. Alright, you ready?
Hold on. It's punch, not smash.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You're dumb. What the hell? You're dumb.
Alright.
Thanks.
We're gonna do. Yeah, but you're still stunned, Stacy.
Okay.
I don't care. I'm just still gonna talk about you. You know, stop bowling box. Ready? Echo, get your ass.
What?
Ready?
The hell you want?
The same fucking thing, dumbass.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Nice.
Okay, so wait. Face a little bit to the left of the head.
Okay.
So like out a tiny bit.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Alright, so the same thing.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Oof.
Alright, wait. We gotta go next to each other and do the birth dance. Dude, go next to me and do the birth dance.
Okay. Tell me when.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Face that.
I am, dumbass!
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
You're bad, dude.
I pressed it!
No, you didn't.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1.
What the fuck? Why'd it face me towards you? What the hell is that? Alright.
Alright, do the track one.
The what?
Face.
Oh, I'm fucking... Hold on. I had to get rid of that. Which one are we doing? The
Trackman's
Trackman's...
touchdown. The community one.
Alright, nigga.
Ready? No, it's not about me, it's about you, your channel.
Yeah, I know.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
You look so fucking... We just look so fucking retarded when we do that.
We look retarded anyway.
Just do the
What?
Got second rate sorcery.
But that one's gay, dude.
That's what I said about that one.
Oh, okay.
Ready.
Wait, hold on. I'll be right back real quick, dog.
This is great content. Now I'm gonna rub my shit against the By Gary Come Home by Nickelodeon Studios, in case anyone wants to copyright strike us.
Gary, now I know I messed up, and now you're gone.
Gary, can't you see I was blind? I'll do anything to change your mind. Boom. You're my pen, my best friend. Too cool for getting back, 'cause we are family. And forgive me for making you roam. And heart is beating like the saddest metronome. So I hope you're reading my latest reword poem. Gary, come home! Gary, come home! Gary, come home! Gary, come home! Come home! Gary, come home! Gary, come home! That's gay. I'm gonna entertain you guys with some not jokes. So, come on. This is bad content. Somebody help me. Bear! Bear's Echo's dog. He's got a dog. I got a dog. Her name is Quincy. Quincy. Yeah. Squeak impression for you guys. Stop killing me! You like that? You like that? Good boy, pussy. Hello, empty friend.
Okay, guys, welcome to we're renting out. It's got some nice little stairs. Ian the Golem. We got these two gentlemen here doing some work.
Hello, MTV. Welcome to my crab. Here are my friends, Dad and Buster. Over here in the kitchen, we have sorts of things like a bongo drum, and we have barbecue cracker chat. Oh, it's very.
Some barbecue cracker chaps.
You know what? I'm just gonna read you guys the B movie script. Here, fucking water. Alright, ready, you guys? Fucking ready? According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. Bee, of course, flies anyways, because bees don't care what humans think is
Yay.